Welcome back, guys. We're doing a Pokemon video.
Yep, and we're finally back doing some packs. Let's get this light on.
Hopefully we get some.
What do you think? A rainbow and a shining?
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't. Who's this, right?
The Water Legendary and the new Pokemon movie.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know. I actually don't know this Pokemon. Is it Tappa something?
There's like 5 of them.
Tappa Finny, maybe?
There's probably 5 of them or 8 of them.
Yeah. Hopefully everybody's staying safe out there. So we're gonna do these 2 packs. We'll start with Shining Legends like we always do and see how it goes. Okay, let's go. Wish us luck, guys. Maybe press the like button first
We haven't got.
for good luck. Yeah, we haven't got anything, have we?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. This is the one, Riker. This is the one. What do you think?
Hopefully we get
Huh? What do you think?
Water.
Huh?
Water. How about probably
1, 2,
do the
3,
trick?
4.
What? Energy?
What energy? Guess the energy. Riker?
Glass.
Grass? Fire. That's good luck.
That means we're going to probably get Rainbow Charizard.
So we're gonna pull Rainbow Charizard. Electrode. Let's get this focused.
Last time we got actually close.
There we go. We're focused.
Last time we got lucky because we got
Spiritomb.
fire, and that was lucky.
Damage mover. Quillfish. Ivysaur. We don't have that. That's pretty cool. Torkoal. Bulbasaur. Really cool. Let's put him right beside
We're getting
Ivysaur.
every of Bulbasaur's
Evolutions. Ooh,
That
Pikachu.
means we might get
Put that in Raven's binder.
ooh.
Reverse Sophocles. And our rare is...
Come on, something good.
Ooh, not bad. Latios.
Is it a shining?
We can make it shine. It's not a shining though. That's too bad. That's okay. Hopefully we get one, guys. But we
next
did get a Pikachu. So that's always a good thing. Burning Shadows, Riker. Are we gonna get something good? What do you think?
Hope we'll get shining.
Shining? Okay. Okay, wish this thing do a shining song.
Dad,
Or-
when we don't, can we do that? Sing.
Oh yeah. So we hit 200 subscribers, guys.
We said we will do a Raichu big.
So our next video, we're gonna open up a Raichu pen pack, which I'll show you in a sec here, guys.
I'm gonna show you right now.
Let me grab it. Let me grab
There's
it.
a Mewtwo one that we got too.
So we're probably gonna open that next time if you guys want to join us.
And then show them the Raichu one, which is
Yeah,
big
I'll
one.
show you the Raichu one after. We'll move this off to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We opened one of
What is
the
energy, Reich?
fire.
I'm gonna say water. Lightning, like Pikachu.
Whoa, that we got Pikachu last time.
Olivia. Never seen that before. Buffalant. Ooh, that Charmeleon's really cool,
Yeah.
guys. Look at him.
Looks like it's in Pokemon Sword.
Yeah, that's really cool.
That guy's in
Noibat.
Pokemon Sword.
Stuffle.
That's in Pokemon Sword. We do not have him.
Mudbray.
We do not have him.
Dynamo.
We do not have him.
Oddish.
Do not.
Reverse Kiawe. Kiawe.
We will have one of those guys.
And a rare. What is it, Rick?
Please something good.
You gotta be kidding me. That's alright. We honestly haven't even hit a hollow yet. That's okay. One for the binder, right? That's okay, right?
Nettle pack.
Another pack? Okay.
That one. Big one.
This one?
Big.
Right. No, we can't open up the pen pack. He wants me to open up this thing, guys.
That pack.
We're gonna open up this next time, okay?
But what I think we're gonna get shining
Okay.
through that.
Shining or Burning Shadows, Riker?
The one that has the
Rainbow?
Shining.
Oh, the Shining? Okay.
Ooh, Quagga.
This one actually feels heavy. If that even makes sense.
Well,
If we hit a Shining, I'm picking up the heaviest pack we have. Totodile to start.
what one is it? That Raichu?
What's that?
The Raichu?
Yeah. Okay, so we got what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully we get something good. What do you think?
Fire.
Fire? Ooh, that's a good sign. Oop, sorry guys. Let's get this focused up. There, fire.
Cat.
Which one is this?
Poline.
Lipard.
Silly guy, I got one.
Volcarin. Here, sit up a little bit. We probably didn't get your face half the video there. Spiritomb. Totodile. Linton. Purloin. 2 cats don't make a right. Just
Yeah,
wait.
we got that last time.
Voltorb. Golett.
We always get that card.
Reverse Pikachu lookalikes. Hold on, we gotta focus this for the rare. And the rare is...
Please something good. No way!
No way! What? Cool! Oh! Almost lost it. Okay, if we can get this focused. Wow.
Rainbow.
That is amazing.
That's crazy that we got a rainbow out of a pack. Because we never got one out of a pack. But Dad,
Everybody send your likes, your hugs, your comments. What do you guys think of... Let's see if we can get this guy focused. Hold on.
what should I get to 900?
Zoroark. GX. That's cool, eh, Reik?
So guys,
So what do we say? What do we say with our hollows? Make it
shine.
shine. So let's make
Guys,
it
if
shine.
you didn't notice that this is we just got the rainbows from people that have been selling them.
Yeah.
But this is our first time getting a rainbow.
This is our first time actually pulling it ourselves. That's so cool. Ooh. Should we grade this or what do you think? Maybe we'll grade this card. We'll see.
Why?
We're about to submit a bunch of cards to grade, so we'll keep you guys updated on everything. But thank you for watching. What do you think, Wrecker?
I think we should open the Raichu pack and do the first one, fire.
The
and
Charizard?
No, that.
Oh, yeah.
Because
how
we
about-
might actually get.
Okay, that one is if we hit 500 subscribers, but we'll do this little pin pack for tomorrow's opening, okay? Alright, guys. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment,
And
subscribe.
guys, afterwards, try to get to 1,000 subscribers.
That's the goal, maybe. Well, we're just having fun, guys. We appreciate everybody watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy our videos, and we'll see you next time.